bar.
And what does it do?
It cleans water spots.
Oh.
It could do it. Yeah, all you have to do is just dump it on the window, then start your windshield wipers.
Cool.
Then to spell it go like this. CLR. Those can do different magic.
Where did you hear about CLR?
It's on a commercial. That's boring.
Oh.
A commercial.
Is it poisonous?
Yeah.
Should you be messing with it then?
Huh?
Should you be messing with it then? Probably not.
I'm
I'm glad we have some. And I'll find a spotty window for you to clean with it, okay?
It's a little full.
Yeah.
Maybe I know who used it.
Who?
Someone who did the
You know what it says on it, Jackson? What does it say right there?
caution.
You know what else it says?
What?
Keep out of reach of children. Are you a child? That means you're not supposed to touch it.
Why?
Because it's not for you. It's dangerous.
Is it poison?
Yeah.
Or is it poison?
Well, anything that can dissolve water spots has got to be poison. I don't know.
Or does it have to be poison?
I don't know, but I'm glad we have it. Thanks for showing me.